Smarty here. I'm going to attempt to do measuring of this magic pot from Let's Resin. I'm not sure how much I need. So 65 there. So I might go to 120. Maybe no. I have to go more. 450. Now I've gone over. Take some out. Oh, that's bang on now. Lovely jabbly. Put the lid down because I'll only knock it over. What I'm like. And I've got to go up to like 200 now. Grams, that is. So by weight. Drop more. Spot on. There we go. Move this out of the way. I'll give this a stir. Okay, I'm going to put some of the deep red dye in. I'm just going to pop in a bit of water so I don't know how much I need. Let's get a piece of tissue. A clean, give this a mix. I realised after doing this that I should have just put the dye straight into the mixture. I think this is going to take a while to mix in, I'm afraid. Okay. I'm just going to try and marble this in, if I can. Nice and slowly. Looks a bit like raspberry ripple. Sugar. Don't think this is, it's not going to work the way I want it to. Maybe I'll just mix it all in. Then I'll just marble the rest in. Okay. Don't think it's going to work. Don't think it's going to work the way I want. Okay. Take this around the edges. No, it's not going to work the way I want it to. Darn it. No. There we go. I'm in the garden and I'm filming with one hand, demoulding with the other. Forgive me for the shadows. Well, it worked out better than what I thought. So yeah, I was happy with that. These little colour things are from Intoresin. They are Aurora multi-liquid chameleon pigments, and you can use them for resin, painting, for your nails. So I'm gonna paint with them on this tray. They are numbered rather than the colours named. They are numbered 1 to 6, and I'm using them in order. Like this is number 2 now, then it'll be number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Me no likey, not at all. So I'm just cleaning it off with a baby wipe, and I start again, and I just do like a doodle with flowers and some leaves, and it works out quite nice this time. Once this is all dried, I do a second coat of it all, but I do it off camera, and I add a little bit more doodles. It's lovely, isn't it? Especially how it catches the light. But I'm not finished. I'm going to do a top coat with Teexpert crystal clear epoxy resin. I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you're not subscribed, please press the subscribe button, leave me a like, and that would make me very happy. I appreciate you all very much. Love you loads, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.